We're here today to demonstrate the Rhomar water Hydro-Solv QC, which is quick clean. You can inject directly into the system and circulate it. You want to bring it up to 80 degrees temperature after you inject it. Circulate it for a minimum of 2 hours on a new system and up to 24 hours on an old system. If you have aluminum, you need to be cognizant of your pH and monitor that as you clean. Easy to do. Hook it up to a boiler drain. Open the drain. Lift the top and press. Should take about 10 to 15 seconds to empty the can. You've emptied the can, shut the boiler drain, and remove your can. And now you start the system. You'll get the temperature up to minimum 80 degrees, but you can take it to 180 degrees working temperature and circulate.